Hey guys, it's again Mimi Naturals. On this video, we are going to be doing a butterfly locks tutorial. So I'm just going to section her hair first. When I'm done with that, I'm going to detangle her hair properly, so her hair won't give me hard time while making it. So after that, I'm just going to start braiding the hair in tell you how to make a butterfly locks. So stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and like, share, comment. Just support your girl, man. Support your girl. So for now, I'm just going to play some music for you guys. So keep watching. Love you. Bye. Yeah, we are done. So for this hair, I'm going to be using kinky hair and passion twist. So I'm just going to install the kinky hair first. When I install the kinky hair first, then I install the passion twist, and then I would begin to wrap it round continuously. And to make it messy, I'm going to be using my thumb to remove, just like you're seeing right now. I'm going to be using my thumb to remove some of the hair so it can look messy. I put my thumb there and then roll the hair, then I'll come back again and tighten it up. Like, instead of going downwards, I'll come on top of my thumb and wrap it around. I don't know if you get me, but thank God you are watching the video. So on this hair, I use just one pack of kinky to achieve this, and two packs of butterfly locks. Yeah, don't mind me, that's just me showing you guys my face that I'm tired. So after that, I'm just going to keep on repeating same method continuously, and if there's anything I have to say on this video, I'll come back and say it. So for now, just keep watching. Love you guys. Bye for now. Here I'm done, and I'm going to be using above hair mousse to apply on the hair. The reason is because I don't want it to be clocking onto each other. So after that, I spray my oil sheen so that the hair will shine, and that's it, guys. If you like this video, please share, please subscribe. I'm begging you on my knees, subscribe, support me, support your girl. Let me know on what hair or what video you want to